Let's talk night photography, and I'm talking here about star photography, galaxy photography. I thought, well, I'm here in Catalonia, the stars are amazing here, and I haven't yet taken photos of them, so I thought I might as well bring you along and show you how I'm going to capture them. So let's go. Alright, settings. What you want to look for in settings is having a relatively high ISO, and that, I know that sounds a bit daunting because some cameras, they can't really deal with high ISO because it makes it quite grainy, but you don't want to have something like 100 because that cuts out as much light as possible. Here we go, so shutter speed, go around 15 seconds to about 20 seconds, depending on how bright it is outside, and then f-stop. If you can go down to f2.8, that's perfect. If not, don't worry, stick around somewhere like f4, because then you get as much focus in as possible, but also letting as much light in as possible. Something like f3.5 is also okay. Depending on your f-stop, if you've got an f-stop of f2.8 and 15-second shutter, then you can go around with ISO 1600. However, if you have an f-stop of something like f4, then you want to go around 2000 because you want to have it quite dark with the galaxy exposed, but not having everything else exposed or overexposed. Okay, so I'm on my little terrace balcony area. We've got some great views actually behind the camera, a bit of a hill, and then we've got stars above, which is amazing. There's no other lights, which means there's going to be no light pollution. The moon isn't out, which is amazing for star photography, because the moon does actually interfere quite a lot and it causes a lot of light pollution. When the moon rises, it means it's going to be the brightest, the stars are going to be the brightest. Another thing you want to look for is making sure that you don't have any other interfering light like house lights.